Hi, this is Steve Gilmore from Leatherman Tool Group. This is the Leatherman REBAR. The Leatherman REBAR is stainless steel with 17 tools, all accessible from the inside of the tool. When I open this up, you have needle nose pliers, regular pliers, replaceable wire cutters, replaceable hard wire cutters. You have your straight blade knife, file, serrated blade, and your saw. The other tools that are accessible from the inside, you have your large screwdriver, small screwdriver, and all with a thread loop. You also have a lanyard ring so you can tether this tool off. A Phillips head screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a can opener. This tool is available with the nylon sheath or the leather box. This is the Leatherman REBAR.